Hello, today I'll be going over a brief summary of the resources available to you. So first, we have campus resources. A resource available on campus is your school's tutorial center. The school's tutorial center can help you with STEM, writing, and comm. We can help with STEM with drop-in STEM tutoring. We also can help with humanities with writing appointments every half an hour. And we can help with communications classes with our comm lab. Next, another resource available on campus is Book a Librarian. Book a Librarian, you can schedule an appointment and you can meet with the librarian with help with research or learning how to navigate the online library. Next, we have Instructor Resources. These are resources that your instructor provides, such as their office hours and email. You can find your instructor's office hour and email usually in your course syllabus. Next, I put classmates under Instructor Resources. You can use your classmates as a resource by forming study groups or just messaging them like general questions you have about the class. Next, your textbook. Your textbook is a huge resource available to you. I often overlook it, but a lot of times what I am needing is information from the textbook. And finally, we have class lectures. These are the lectures that your professor makes. And finally, we have potential online resources. I put YouTube lectures. YouTube is a website that you can Google, and they have videos on additional information that you might need. Next, we put Quizlet. Quizlet is a website that's super helpful for studying. So those are a few resources available to you. I hope that helps.